Hello, I'm John, and this is Product Spotlight. Today we have a model from Atlas to look at, so let's head over to the workbench. All right, so here's what we're looking at today. This is a 52-foot Evans Gondola, and this is made by Atlas. It's HO scale, and it's in Atlas's Trainman series. The decorated versions like this go for $31.95, and the undecorated one goes for $24.95. Keep in mind that these are list prices, so if you shop around, you'll probably find them for less. Something else to mention is there are several different road names and road numbers on the Atlas website. So your best bet would be to go to their website and see if they have what you're looking for. A close look at the side of the model reveals a very good paint job and crisp markings. If you look carefully toward the bottom, you can see that there's also conspicuity stripes. And something else to notice as you're looking at the detail on this model is that the ladder details and stirrups are all molded. It looks very good. The brake end has a separately applied brake wheel and molded ladder and brake platform detail. Also, it comes with body-mounted knuckle couplers. So since we're going around the entire model, here's a quick look at the other side. You can see it has similar molded detail and conspicuity stripes. And here's the A end. This top-down angle offers a view of the inside of the car. Pretty nondescript, but it looks like it's just begging for a custom load, doesn't it? Looking at the bottom, you can see it has some molded brake detail. Some of these reservoir pieces look like they might be separately applied, but more importantly, from the bottom, you can see that it has blackened metal wheels. And as I mentioned, you can also see that the couplers are in fact body mounted. Atlas has done a great job with this model. This is not the most detailed or highly anticipated model of the year, but it is a less expensive model, and it presents a great opportunity for serious modelers to not only super detail the model itself and weather it, but also, if you're interested, to add a custom load to it. So good job, Atlas. I'll see you next time.